い、こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm Asuko Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about position. So, let's make a sentence showing a position of an object. So, for example, there is a book on the table. So, this kind of on, or show where the book is, yes, to show the position. We need to juggle some particles in the sentence. So let's try. テーブル something, 上 something, 本 something, あります Yes, so あります means shows exists, something, not living creatures, but あります means some object, something exists a certain place. So it works like there is, there are in English, okay? And then you need to insert a particle in each bracket, okay? テーブル、上、本、あります。How to do that? Okay? So, テーブルの上に本があります。Okay, did you get it? Okay, did you get the correct answer? Well done! If you did it, please leave a comment, okay? So, テーブルの上に本があります。テーブル means table, 上 means on top or on or sometimes above, okay? And then 本 a book, あります means there is, there are. If a book is under the table, テーブルの下に、下 means under, 本があります。Okay, so once you understand this sentence structure, you can just change words and then make new sentences. Okay, so if a book is on car on the car 車の上に本があります。Did you put a book on the car? I've never done it. Alright, see you next time. さよなら、またね